Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you use Brave browser and care about your privacy, you might not want your browsing history, cookies or cached files to remain saved after you close the browser. Brave is already known for its privacy features, but you can make it even more secure by enabling the option to automatically clear browsing data when you exit the browser. In this video, I will show you a step by step how to enable this feature on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's get started. First open Brave browser, then click on this one triple line horizontal menu, and in the drop down menu select settings. After that select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right select delete browsing data. Now switch to on exit tab. Here you can check this one options: browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, Leo AI, cached image and files, passwords and other sign-in data, autofill form data, site and shield settings, hosted app data. After checking these one options, you can click on this save up button. That's it. Once you enable the desired options, simply close the settings tab also. From now on, every time you close the Brave browser, it will automatically remove the selected browsing data from your computer. This is a simple and effective way to improve your privacy, especially if you share your PC with others or use a public computer. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.